This case considered the issue of the exceptions to indefeasibility of title and personal equities, and whether or not a previous owner of a property could enforce a contract with a new owner to purchase the property back, even though the contract was not made directly with this new owner. In this case, a property was sold and a term of the contract provided that the vendor could repurchase the land back from the purchaser in 3 years. This purchaser then sold it to another purchaser who refused to sell it to the vendor when the 3 years had expired. The original owner brought an action against the new owner on the basis that there was a contractual obligation to sell the property back to them at the end of the 3-year period. They also insisted that the new owners knew of this contractual obligation. The original owners argued that this amounted to fraud. The new owners argue that mere notice of an unregistered equitable interest does not amount to fraud for the purposes of the Real Property Act. The central issue for the court was whether or not the original owner of the property was entitled to specific performance, or if the new owner's title was indefeasible. The court ultimately held that the original owner could